is relative pronoun, who and who. I want to see the proper usage of these pronouns. They are most times misused one for the other. For example, who stole the pen? Or whom stole the pen? That is the girl who I gave the pen to. Or that is the girl whom I gave the pen to. And in recent times, the relative pronoun whom is no longer used by many people because it has been interchanged with the word who. So let's look at how it is done. The relative pronoun who is a subjective relative pronoun. That is, it is only used when the subject is performing an action. While the relative pronoun whom is an objective relative pronoun, it is only used when the subject or the object is receiving an action. For example, if I say that is the boy who stole my pen. Now, the boy is performing an action. The action is stealing. Therefore, the right relative pronoun is who. But in this case, I could say that is the boy who the police arrested. Now the boy is not performing an action here, but is receiving an action. The police perform an action on the boy, so the boy received the action arrest. So this is how relative pronouns who and whom are used. Remember, when the subject is performing an action, you use who. But when the subject is receiving an action, you use whom. Let's look at another example. See who spoke to me. Who spoke to me? Yesterday. Now, he spoke or she spoke. She performs an action. He performs an action. So we use relative pronoun who, the subjective one. But look at this. See whom I spoke to you about. Now, the person is not performing an action in this case. Instead, the person received the action I performed. See whom I spoke to you about. That is the proper way to use the relative pronouns who and whom. You can make two examples of who and two examples of whom, and make a comment in the comment section. Like our videos, share it, click the icon, notification icon, so that when new videos are uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you.